In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your shared notes in Evernote. If you've ever had someone share a note with you and then struggled to find it later, this walkthrough is going to clear that up. We'll go step by step so you know exactly where to look in the Evernote interface and you'll understand what shared with me actually means and how it works. First, open Evernote and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This matters because shared notes are tied to the account they were sent to. If you're in a different workspace or using multiple accounts, double check that you're in the one where people usually share content with you. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you normally see your navigation options like notes, notebooks, and tags. In that navigation area, you'll find an option labeled Shared with Me. This is the dedicated space Evernote provides for anything that someone else has shared directly with your account. Go ahead and click on Shared with Me. As soon as you do, Evernote will display a list of notes and possibly notebooks that have been shared with you by other people. These might include meeting notes, project plans, reference documents, or any other content collaborators wanted you to see. Take a moment to scroll through the list. You will typically see the note titles along with information like who shared them and when they were shared. If the list is long, you can use the search bar at the top of the app to narrow things down. Just type in a keyword you remember from the title or the content of the note, and Evernote will filter the shared items to match your search. When you click on any note in the Shared with Me section, it will open in the main viewing area. From there, you can read, edit, or add to the note, depending on the permissions the owner has given you. If you'll need quick access in the future, you can add it to your shortcuts or tag it so it's easier to organize along with your own notes. That's all there is to it. Whenever you're looking for something someone else has shared, just remember to head straight to the Shared with Me section in Evernote, click it, and your shared notes will be right there waiting for you.